Hey everybody, Brian Myers here, Level 2 SFG at Primitive Strength, and I just want to show you all a quick tip, something that will help with your hip hinge, the kettlebell swing, deadlift, hip hinges, not squats, okay? Remember, in the hip hinge, the hips do most of the flexion, the knees inherently have to bend, but they're not flexing near as much as in a squat. In a squat, the hips and the knees flex to the same degree, okay? In the hip hinge, we want to focus on the hips flexing more, all right? Something that you can do to check that, take a PVC dowel rod, something that's long enough to touch your glutes, your upper back, and your head. I'm going to take the PVC behind me, assume a shoulder width stance, hip width stance, maybe a little bit wider than that. I want to make sure that the PVC is touching my glutes, my upper back, and my head. From here, I'm going to maintain a neutral spine and I'm going to hinge. I'm going to push my hips back until I feel that load in my hamstrings, and I want to make sure that this PVC is still touching those 3 points the entire time. I do not want my spine to change on a deadlift, a kettlebell swing, a squat, anything. My spine needs to stay neutral. So grab your PVC or dowel rod, touch those 3 points, hip hinge. You can always have somebody check you, make sure that your hips are in between your shoulders and your knees. Practice a few hundred of these a day and you will have a solid hip hinge. If you need any other help, you can contact us at the studio or check us out, primitivestrengthama.com. Thanks.